In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add new pages to your Wix website using the Wix Editor. Whether you're expanding your site to better display your services or wanting to add a blog or portfolio, adding new pages can be a crucial step in enhancing your online presence. Let's walk through this process together, so you can easily manage and customize your website to suit your needs. First, make sure you're logged into your Wix account and inside the specific site editor you're looking to modify. Once inside, focus your attention on the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll find the main navigation menu that's key to accessing all site building tools. Click on the menu's Pages icon. It looks like a series of stacked hamburger lines. This is your gateway to managing your existing pages and adding new ones. In the Pages section, you'll notice a list of all the current pages you have on your website. To add a new page, look for the Add Page button, which is conveniently located at the bottom of this panel. Once you click on it, a new, blank page will appear. Think of this as a fresh canvas, ready for whatever content you wish to display. Next, you'll want to rename your page to reflect its content accurately. Do this by clicking on the page name, typically titled New Page, and typing in whatever you deem appropriate. This step is vital for maintaining organized navigation and clear, intuitive page titles for your visitors. You then need to decide the layout and design. Wix provides a variety of templates, making it simple to find a look that enhances your new page's content. Click on the Page Layout option within the page settings, and here you can select from several pre-designed layouts or opt for a blank slate if you prefer total creative freedom. Don't forget that you can customize each page in detail, adding elements like text, images, buttons, slideshows, and even contact forms. Simply click on the Add icon from the left-hand toolbar, and you'll have a plethora of design components at your disposal. By dragging and dropping these elements, you can build a page that not only looks great but also aligns perfectly with your site's goals. Lastly, after all your customization and content additions, always make sure to preview your new page. The Preview button, at the top right of the editor, allows you to see exactly what visitors will experience. This is a great chance to spot check for any errors or adjustments needed. Once satisfied with your design and layout, hit the Publish button to make this new page live on your site and accessible to everyone. By following these easy steps, you can expand your Wix website with new, engaging content, enhancing both user experience and SEO potential. Thank you for joining me today, and happy website building!